Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Palworld if it keeps on crashing. Now, one thing you need to understand is Palworld is a bit of a demanding game, and you need to have at least a decent PC to run this properly without you lagging or without you crashing. Now, there are a few things you can do. The first thing is go to your settings. So let's return the title and make sure that your settings is at par with what your computer's capacity is. So what you want to do is click on options, go to graphics, because that's the important part. As you can see, I'm at epic. I'm pretty much maxed out, but you need to make the balance that your PC needs. So you need to make sure that you know what your PC specs are and accordingly tweak your settings. So maybe if you want grass details, maybe you want medium or low, so that you can run them properly. Presets and whatnot, all of this, we have a video discussing this. Check that out. Another thing you can do is go to Steam. So open your Steam and go to your library. And in your library, what you want to do is look for Palworld. And as you can see, it says running. What you want to do is right-click on this. And what you want to do is click on properties. Now a pop-up will appear. And here, what you want to do is click on install files. Now after that, what you want to do next is to click on verify integrity of game files. This will going to be a bit of a not really long, but a bit time consuming process, because it's going to go through all the game files, and Palworld has a lot of files in it. As you can see, it's nearly 20 gig on my storage. What it does is look for corrupt files and fix them. So that's another thing you need to check out. Another thing you want is to go to your NVIDIA settings, make sure your graphics card is up to date. So GeForce, most of the time, you're going to be able to run GeForce Experience, because a lot of us, if not all, has an NVIDIA graphics card, and make sure to check for updates. And if there is an update, make sure to do the update on your PC before trying out to run Palworld. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.